Now if you were to ask me which is the craziest, maddest motorcycle here at EICMA 2018, then that title undoubtedly goes to one particular machine. Now those with a keen eye can see I'm on the Ducati Panigale V4. But here's the thing, this is not that machine. The motorcycle we're talking about is the Panigale V4 R.
Yes, the Panigale V4 R. The regular V4, if you can call it regular that is, was already one of the most powerful production motorcycles in the world, and the R version just takes it further. And surprisingly, it has a smaller 998cc engine, which still has a V4 layout, and as the name of the motorcycle suggests. But it is now making a mind-boggling 221 horsepower. And if you put the Akrapovic exhaust on it, that goes up to 234 horsepower. And to keep all of this power on the tarmac and not have the motorcycle take off into the air, Ducati have given the V4R some aggressive aero kit. This includes the inclusion of the world superbike racing style carbon fiber wings. And the new fairing has air extractors in them to let the heat out of the engine when on a track. Other changes include the new mechanical all-in suspension, which is replacing the electronically adjustable ones from the V4S, a pit lane limiter, and an adjustable swing arm. And all of this in a motorcycle that weighs 165.5 kilos with the Akrapovic exhaust. Now how intense is that? And let's not forget, it has extensive electronic rider aids like cornering, ABS, traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and bi-directional quick shifter, all of which is lean sensitive. That's not it. There's also adjustable engine brake control, riding modes, and auto tire calibration. In terms of the looks, the motorcycle looks unlike anything in the market and is a stunner no matter which angle you look at it from. Now there are new racing stripes above the headlamps and the tail section, and the dual-tone fuel tank looks gorgeous. All in all, this is one of the most extreme motorcycles not only at EICMA but in the world.